Hi, good morning. How are you doing today? My name is Timothy Chiam and I'm with TechVogue. I would love to show you the factory and also the warehouse section of our factory. Now on my left hand, you're going to see our production line finishing a dildo, a thrusting dildo indeed. This is actually an order from our pondering factory who's too busy completing orders for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so they actually asked us to help them out. And on my right hand, you're going to see production lines for our bestseller on Amazon.com, which is the TB1098. Yeah, here, this is also a production line for the TB1098. And let's bring you to the warehouse section. So this is actually the warehouse section for the ready to be shipped goods. So everything in here, in this section, are ready to be shipped. They are inspected, they are fully packaged, and with the right marks. And then in front of that is our packaging line, and at the end of the packaging line, there is a machine for shrink package. And now you notice that our workers are wearing plastic caps to avoid hair in the product and in the package as well. Yeah. And now let's show you the real warehouse section for the original material and semi-finished products. So in this section, you're going to see the warehouse for the original material. Yeah. You do notice that we have a big warehouse for the original materials because we have too many orders to fulfill. So, hey. And then now on my right hand, you're going to see a warehouse for the packaging materials as well. And also a warehouse for the OEM packaging and semi-finished products as well. Yeah. Now that's all.